This is the standing seam roof anchor from Fall Protection Distributors. This one device allows homeowners, contractors, and building owners a simple way to establish 5,000-pound anchor points on standing seam roofs without penetrating the panels or violating any roof warranties. It is constructed of solid, non-corrosive 6061 T6 aluminum and stainless steel set screws that allow it to be used for permanent or temporary installations. It has been tested at an independent third-party ISO-rated testing facility and is OSHA and ANSI compliant to the 5,000-pound standard, the highest standard for this type of anchor point. It is tested for falls in all directions, which allows the authorized user to work 360 degrees around the anchor point, including working on both sides of the roof without having to reposition the anchor. A pair of these can even be used as anchor points for horizontal lifeline systems. It is also professionally salt spray tested to the ASTM B117 industry standard. The standing seam roof anchor was engineered to be the lightest and most universal fit device in the industry. It only weighs 4.5 pounds and it fits over 500 standing seam panels. This one device fits mechanically seamed, snap lock, single lock, double lock, nail strip, T-seams up to 1.5 inches wide, bulb seams, and even MR24 type seams. It's simple to install with only a screw gun and a torque wrench. It arrives ready to install with no assembly required. The 12 stainless steel set screws are already loaded and the D-ring is already secured. Install time is about 2 minutes and removal takes less than 1 minute. The patented design of the standing seam roof anchor solves many of the disadvantages of the older anchor point designs. The one-piece body has no moving parts, does not require any assembly, and does not require the authorized user to reconfigure the body based on the type of seam. The SSRA attaches to the seam with 6 pairs of opposing set screws. Older designs use the compression method to attach, basically squeezing 2 heavy plates together to grab the seam. Compression clamps are not universal fit and require multiple devices to fit different seams. This becomes very cost prohibitive for contractors that work on different types of metal roofs. Many older designs span across 2 seams. These are also very heavy and limited in how many different types of seams they fit. Roofers are less likely to use an anchor point that is big and bulky or hard to install. Most importantly, many older designs are not third-party tested to the 5,000-pound standard. They may only be compliant to older standards and to significantly lower strengths. The standing seam roof anchor eliminates all of these problems. It is the lightest and most universal fit. It locks onto a single seam using set screws in under 2 minutes. It does not have to be assembled differently depending on what type of seam it is being attached to. And it fits about 95% of the standing seam profiles in the industry. A few more advantages to using the standing seam roof anchor are it's very price competitive at the retail and distributor level. It can be powder coated to color match any roof system for permanent installations. It's manufactured in the USA with a lifetime warranty. Most other anchor points are manufactured overseas and have very limited 1- and 2-year warranties. Optional nylon tip set screws are available for temporary attachment and provide additional protection for the panel finish. The standing seam roof anchor is the industry's only component mounting system for standing seam roofs. The removal of the D-ring allows for attachment of adapter plates, walkboard brackets, material skids, swivel retractors, handrail bases, etc.